ko na nga alam.
Hello, magandang gabi po o magandang hapon o magandang umaga kung nasa ibang sulok ng mundo man kayo. Happy holidays! Merry Christmas! So, ito yung episode 15 namin ay of EU-based Unstoppable Pinay Digital Entrepreneur. So, kasama ko si Tintin at hintayin natin ng konti. Papasok din si Percy. So, bago siya papasok, chika-chika muna kami ni Tintin about our holidays. So, maybe we don't talk so much about business. Kasi holiday time naman, di ba, Tin? How are you,
Yes.
Tin? Kamusta?
Medyo pagod, medyo hectic. It's a back-to-back parties. Last weekend, we had a party on Saturday from the community here sa Norway, yung mga Filipino community here dito sa aming municipality. So, we had 70 people, guests. So it was really hectic. And then we finished like around, we came home like around 1 a.m. Tapos, syempre, yung adrenaline mo still up. So me and my husband, we slept like around 3 o'clock. Pati yung mga kids, mga pagdating nila, mga 1, natulog na sila. And then, the following Sunday, we had naman another Christmas party. Medyo early, kaya talagang sobra talagang pagod na pagod kami kasi from the late party, tapos early party kasi ang target doon is 2 o'clock kasi medyo malayo. That
Mhm.
was a party together with yung mga, magkakasama kasi kami before sa house when we came here sa Norway. So that was like 10 years ago or more. So kami yung magkakasama sa house. So we had our yearly Christmas celebration or Christmas party. So it was nice kasi lumalaki na. Lumalaki na, before it was us lang. Tapos nagkaroon ng
Wow.
family. Tapos family again yung isang part. Tapos kami nagkaroon na ng anak. So
Yan
ang
yung
dami
workmate.
na.
Mhm. Workmate.
Yeah, we started like na kami-kami lang. Single, di ba? When we came here sa Norway. Tapos hanggang sa lumaki na yung family. Nag-extended family na. And
Wow.
yesterday,
That's friendship, right? Friendship group.
yeah, it was nice. And then since I started the business, diba, last February, so I met new friends again from the business. And yesterday we had our Christmas party. So we're also getting bigger and bigger na because we were
Wow.
amazed. We were 20 people there yesterday, and hindi pa nakasama lahat. That's why we said na next party maybe we have to rent a bigger place because we just borrowed a place. Actually, it's a place of worship and service from the Jesus is Lord community or church. So medyo maliit
Wow.
lang siya. Pero it was nice because one of our business partners, she's the daughter of she's the daughter of the pastor. So
Mhm.
she lent us their place. It was a very privileged and we were so blessed na pinahiram sa amin for free. But for sure, kapag marami na kami, kapag mga 30 or 50 na kami by next year, for sure, hindi na kami pwede. Hi, Percy! Merry Christmas!
Welcome, Percy. Merry Christmas, Percy. Naka-mute ka. Bakit hindi ko ito naka-mute ka, Percy?
Nakamute ka.
So, wow, ang ganda naman nakita ko yung mga picture. Especially sa mga
Yeah,
holidays na
it
ginagawa
was
niyo.
so much
Especially
fun.
yung
And then
kids.
late na din kami. Because the travel time is 1 hour from our place. Tapos late na kami nakauwi. Mga 12 na kami dumating ng house. 12 night. And then of course today is Sunday. So we have to, because there's like what we call Yule i Winterland in Oslo. So we wanted the kids to experience that one before the Christmas ends. That's the reason why nagpunta kami kanina doon. So it was nice. The holidays hectic, and then another party coming. Syempre this week it's gonna be Christmas time na 23 and 24, 23rd and 24th na. But I will be working on the 23rd and 24th day shift. But after
Ganda
that
naman
one,
ng
of
mga
course,
paper party.
a
Yeah, I
we're
saw the
gonna have
picture.
a
The kids
family.
were singing. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, we're gonna have a family dinner sa 24th lang.
Yeah.
Tapos 25th, we're just gonna visit a friend. So that's our holiday. Super busy, especially with the kids. A lot
Percy,
of
your mic
activities.
isn't connected. So, we are also celebrating a our holiday.
Okay.
So Sunday we went to church, and then these holidays we sent kasi may yung ibang family ng husband ko medyo malayo sila. So we sent only gifts to them for the Christmas. And also this holiday, maybe we're going to visit one of them na may apat na kids. So hopefully we spend time with them. Um, I guess holiday spirit is that like that, right? You're spending great time with a family and for the loved ones that you have. And napakaganda ng feeling pag Christmas. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, mas boring yung Christmas dito compared sa Pilipinas. How are
Yeah,
you?
it's a
Medyo
big
matagal-tagal na hindi na ako nakauwi sa Pinas. So, I guess the last Christmas that I've been there, 2005. Kaya namimiss ko talaga yung Christmas sa
Actually,
Pilipinas.
last year we were in the Philippines. So, yung mga kids, syempre nakita nila talaga yung mga lights and everything. So, lagi nilang tinatanong, when are we going back to the Philippines? When are we going back to the
Kaya nga,
Philippines? So,
ang saya
yeah.
ng Christmas sa Pilipinas.
And yung mga foods, puto bumbong, bibingka,
Yeah, ang
and
dami.
everything, di ba?
How about you, Percy? Kamusta yung Christmas mo?
Hi ladies, sorry late ako kasi
No
alam mo na,
worries.
pag meron tayong kasama na, alam mo na, so late kami, galing kami sa neighbor. So nagkwentuhan about Christmas. But para sa amin, para sa akin wala akong Christmas kasi until the end of the month, I have work. I need to work.
Wow,
No Christmas.
sipag mo naman.
No, in our company, no Christmas, no vacation. You must select kung anong month mo gustong mag-vacation.
Oh,
So,
Yeah.
karamihan ngayon sa aming colleagues is nasa bakasyon. So, kailangan ng people na mag-double time kasi maraming order. So, nagtatrabaho ako ng 8 oras plus 4 pa. Kasi kulang ang tao.
business. Wow.
Kulang ang tao. So, maganda na rin yun kasi may dagdag, alam mo na, may dagdag,
Income.
Yeah, that's it.
no.
You know, I
Pero
heard that.
mag-work ka lang ng day shift or mag-work ka rin ng afternoon shift or doon ka na magpapasko?
Yeah.
Mm.
Bukas, I'm in the morning shift, and then after a week, night shift, and then again back to night shift.
Mm. Wow.
Every week nagro-rotation kami. So, meron kaming 4 na colleagues na kailangang i-coop up yung duties nila. So, 4 na oras sa akin yung idadagdag ko, and then yung others 4 naman, yung iba 2 hours, 2 hours para matama yung 4 na nakabakasyon, makuha yung
Compensate.
time nila o
Oh, but no worries, you can still enjoy your holidays. Na andyan naman yung anak mo sa katabi mo, and then your husband. You still have that time, I guess, to celebrate.
Yung
If not,
yung
January.
yung
Let's
yung anak ko siyempre nasa girlfriend niya rin, hindi natin mahawakan yung anak natin, binata na.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know.
that's
Oo,
true.
'di ba? Kung baby pa like you, Christine, your child
Yeah.
is still young, you can say, "Oh, children, you must be here beside us."
Yeah.
But at the age of 18, you cannot say, "Oh, boys, you must hear, girls, you must hear." No way.
Well, nakakaiba talaga yung Christmas pag nasa ibang bansa tayo compared to our country. Kasi,
Malungkot ang
diba?
Christmas dito sa atin.
Yeah, malungkot,
Yeah,
malungkot. Plus the
malungkot.
weather.
Yeah.
Yung
You know,
weather pa, di ba?
today we just go out, we just go for a walk. Tapos narinig ko yung mga music ng kasi yung town namin ay nilagyan nila ng music ng speaker. So may music na Christmas song.
Oh,
Parang
that's so
nafe-feel ko talaga
nice.
ng Christmas. So, what we're doing kasi, di ba, maboboring ka sa bahay niyo pag dalawa lang kayo. So, when afternoon, we go for a walk. Dala namin yung tatlo naming aso, nagwo-walk kami. Kahit na may ubo ako, kahit may sipon ako, nagwo-walk kami. Like, kasi nafe-feel mo yung spirit of Christmas pag narinig mo yung
Yeah.
mga Christmas music. Kahit dito sa bahay lang, dalawa lang kami in the morning when we wake up para mag-get energy kaming dalawa, nagpapatugtog kami ng Christmas song, Filipino. Alam mo yung asawa ko, he didn't know how to song Tagalog. But pag pumutok na yung music na Pasko, Pasko, naku, marunong siya kumanta sumayaw ng Pasko, Pasko.
Pasko, Pasko.
Kahit hindi niya alam ng lyrics, sinusundan niya. So, parang happy siya. So, I told him na yung Christmas sa Pilipinas is very, very, mafe-feel mo talaga yung love, mafe-feel mo talaga yung spirit of Christmas. Diba? We are siguro maraming tao na talagang mamimiss nila talaga yung Christmas sa Pilipinas compared na dito tayo sa ibang bansa, di ba?
Actually, nung it was just me and my husband pa lang, yung Christmas parang yung lumilipas lang, di ba? Parang ano lang, wala lang, ganyan. It's very different nung nagkaroon kami ng maliliit na anak. Very different nung newborn kasi talagang parang Pasko na pala, Diyos ko, hindi mo pa alam, parang wala ka pa ring tulog, parang napakahirap, 'di ba, pag when there's a newborn talagang it's nice, it's a blessing, pero talagang napakahirap kasi sleepless nights and everything. Ngayong malalaki na sila, like yung 2-year-old ko, 'di ba, malaki na siya. So sabi namin first time niya yung na-experience yun sa Oslo kanina. So she was happy, and then sinasabi namin, before, kami lang dalawa ni Daddy, we were here, pero hindi kami nagsasakay ng mga carousel, ng mga children's rides.
Yeah.
And then, sabi ko, nung dumating yung eldest, we were here together with my mom. And then sabi niya, how about me? Wala ka pa anak kasi it's your first time. Kasi 'di ba malamig, 'di ba?
Yeah.
It's nice kasi actually we plan to go there parang 2 weeks ago. Kaya lang ang weather, it's -14. So how
Mm-mm.
can you stay outside? It's an outdoor fun.
Yeah.
Outdoor activity siya. So kaya kanina kahit na pagod kami from the party yesterday, so talagang pinush namin kasi it's +5. So hindi kami, kumbaga mag-e-enjoy talaga kami, hindi kami ba yung talagang para ka ng, lamig-lamig na froze ka na do'n, hindi mo alam kung saan ka iihi kasi it's an outdoor, 'di ba, kung saan ka tatakbo, tapos with the kids and everything. So, kaya talagang na-enjoy nila kahit na pagod kami. Kaya lang ang dami talagang tao kasi talagang they took advantage of the weather din. Pero it was nice, and it was really fun for the kids. Talagang yung mga lights, yung mga Ferris wheel, talagang wow, gano'n talaga sila.
Uh-huh.
So,
So,
now
yun
we
lang,
felt,
pag mafe-feel na ang Christmas, pupunta ka lang sa mga lights. Di ba,
yeah,
marami
so
namang lights yan sa Belgium. Parang magpapatugtog ka na lang habang nagtata-work ka, you can feel the Christmas naman, di ba? Lalo na pag Jackie Chan's songs. Oo, paborito yan namin dito sa bahay, nagpatutugtog kami kasi yun lang talaga yung time na mabawas-bawasan yung ano mo ba, yung miss natin sa
stress.
Pilipinas. Yeah. Lalo
Lungkot.
na dito kasi
Yun
sa
lang.
amin, when we go to church, so like today, hindi ko alam, dumating pala yung lights dito sa amin. Yung lights is, yung candle light from other cities, dinala
Oh, yeah.
dito. Then, dito naman, pagdating sa church, yung lights na yan, ipapasa yan sa mga tao. So, every people, every home, magdala sila ng kanilang sariling candle. So, yun nga, malamig, mahangin. So, kailangan magdala ka ng candle na ma-cover siya na hindi siya mapatay, di ba? So, pumunta ka sa church, pagkatapos ng mass, magla-light ng candle at dadalhin mo yung sarili mong candle pa uwi. So, nakalimutan ko, hindi ko pala na nung kahapon pa pala dumating. So, tomorrow we do it. Kasi, di ba parang feel mo yung sharing at caring ng mga tao, ng ibang tao na from ang layo pa ng pinanggalingan ng lights pumunta dito. So, napaka-bless na napili yung church na to at dito na nilagay. So, yun lang. Tapos, ni-invite kami doon sa isang church. May church dito. Kaya lang sa Spanish sila nagkumakanta kaya Spanish na rin yung kanta. Pero mafe-feel mo pa rin yung spirit of Christmas talaga. So yun lang, i-enjoy yung sarili sa Christmas, di ba? Kasi talagang wini-wish ko talaga one day, hope, kasama ko yung buong pamilya ko in Christmas. Yan talaga yung pinapangarap ko. Si Tintin, you are so lucky na business partners, you can meet each other. So ako rin, I was
We
hoping
were
to meet our business
lucky.
partner.
Kasi magkakalapit kami as a team. So, pero yung may tatlo na nag-fly, so we were still lucky talaga. Kasi every month we used to gather kahit na 5 lang kami or 6 kami, sharing about the business, talking about the struggles and challenges and the success of each
Iba talaga, di ba? Iba talaga.
Yeah, maganda talaga. It's very helpful. Kasi para talagang community. It's very nice. Yesterday, ang daming food. Everyone talaga nag-exert ng effort for the food and for the games and everything. Kaya inabot na kami ng sobrang gabing-gabi na. Kasi parang everyone talaga nag-isip for the game. So dapat masunod ba yung mga inisip nila na.
Wow, that's a nice thing,
Nice.
right? You don't know some of them. I guess they are, hindi mo pa sila nakilalang kilala ni Rael ka-business partner lang, di ba? Or you
Yeah,
know
yung
them already?
tatlo kasi yung iba out of the 11 kasi. So kami na 9 talagang every month we have like a bonding.
Yeah.
Pumunta
You
kami
know,
sa mga
nakikita ko ang daming mga ka-business partner natin na they went together and they gathered together. Lalo na pag nakatira na sila sa isang country.
Maganda
Napakaganda, di ba?
Really nice.
Napakaganda. So we are three of us, we are hoping one day we can meet each other before Christmas.
Yeah.
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 And Michelle,
Dito.
Michelle, meron pala akong kababayan dyan na taga-Spain. Napanood ko kaninang umaga yung live niya sa page niya. Taga-Palawan din siya, nasa Spain siya, Barcelona.
Wow.
Oo.
Yeah.
I've
Yeah,
watched.
we are going to share it later, Percy. We hope
Oo.
to meet her. Okay. Medyo malayo pa ako pa sa Barcelona, but we are hoping na may chance din talaga makamit, di ba? Sa isang country lang kayo. So that's our Christmas holiday sharing, everyone. So this Christmas, we would like to share it to everybody, especially to those who are following our pages. Happy holidays. Thank you so much for supporting our pages, lalong-lalo na sa pages ng dalawa kong ka-business partner. At hayaan nyo next year, we are hoping to share more things about life, about business, at isi-share namin sa inyo. Dahil ito yung paraan na pwede namin matulungan yung mga taong may dream at gusto ding matupad yung mga dream nila. Lalong-lalo na pag family-oriented ka, di ba? So, kung handa po kayo, mag-plan na kayo ng next year nyo. Plan na kayo, mag-business partner na tayo. Halina kayo at sasama sa amin dahil tuturuan namin kayo kung paano kayo magsimula ng kanyang negosyo. From, you can make it part-time or you can make it full-time. Like Percy, you're doing this. She's a busy mom, and I'm so proud of Percy that she's still doing this business. So, we are so grateful that we met each other. So, we hope you stay tuned for more episodes next year, 2024. Right, ladies?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Happy holidays.
Happy
Yes, and
holidays.
happy holidays and Merry Christmas. And
Thank you,
happy
ladies.
New Year in advance.
Yes. That's all for today, everyone. See you next year. Bye.
See you. Bye-bye.